All right, let's go inside the business machine.
Ever wonder how a massive store like Checkers actually gets everything done every single day?
Well, the secret is to think of it like a complex, really well-oiled machine. See, every single part has a very specific job. We call these parts business functions.
Okay, let's dive in, starting with the machine's control center, general management.
This is literally the brain of the operation, making sure every department works together to hit its goals.
And management isn't just one group. Nope, it's actually split into 3 different levels.
Notice how decisions flow down. Big strategy at the top becomes daily tasks on the floor. And to steer the ship, every single manager focuses on these 5 core tasks.
So let's head down to the engine room, the functions that power daily operations.
Think of administration as the machine's wiring. It handles all the data that helps decisions get made.
Next up, finance. This is the fuel, right? It manages the cash that pays for, well, everything.
And that fuel comes in 2 main forms: the business's own money or money borrowed from others.
The purchasing function? That's the machine's intake, buying everything it needs to run.
And they pay for all that stuff in 2 ways: right away with cash or later on credit.
This function follows a super precise process. Why? To keep things efficient and control inventory.
Okay, so with the insides working, how does this machine look to the outside world?
That's where public relations comes in. Their job is to keep everyone happy: customers, staff, investors.
So here's the crucial point. No single part can run this entire machine all by itself.
From the brain to its public face, every single piece has to work together perfectly.
So, which part of this machine do you think is the absolute most important for success?